This is a 1996 Saab 900, and this is the driver's side transmission mount. Right here, there's where I'm pointing. There's two bolts that goes right in here. You see? From inside, there's two bolts. From under the hood, you can reach it, and you got to put these two bolts in right here. Well, there's one on top right here and one in the bottom. And then in addition to that, you got to do your regular bolts. One here and one here. So 1, 2, and then 2 more inside. So total of 4 bolts for the transmission mount. Good luck with your project.